So we've been riding for maybe 3 or 4 hours now, and we brought it back here to the garage and we just wanted to check it out and see how everything was going. When we were riding through the creek, we noticed that we were getting a few bubbles coming out right here, as you can see. So we started out at 8.8 psi. We're just going to test it right now. So now we're at like 7.5. So we've lost, a little bit over 1 psi here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to fix this on the trail. So this is something where you will have to have the accelerator in order to do this, because you need the adhesive to dry quickly. So the first thing you want to do is obviously clean this all off, get all the mud off of there, and then you'll have to have it dry as well. So it's good to have a rag with you or whatever it might be to kind of make this happen. So if you look closely at this patch, this is where our bubbles are coming from. It might be hard to see, but there's a little spot where the patch separated from the tire. That could have been because I didn't put enough adhesive there. It also could have been that it was ripped off or something while we were riding. So what you'll do, you'll separate the patch from the tire where you're getting the leak, make sure it's all dry, and then you'll actually just put this adhesive right in there like that, and then close it back up and hold it. You'll see the bubbles come out for a second. Hold it for 5 or 10 seconds, and then give it a spray with the accelerator. So what that'll do is it'll actually cure it immediately, and then you'll be good to get back and riding right off the bat. I'm going to put some more water over this and show you how it cured again. So there's now obviously no bubbles coming out, and that should hold air again.